we are coming to you from the 6th Annual Festival of Motoring Show here at the Kyalami Grand Prix Circuit in Midrand. And today here I have with me Ivor Trollope. Hi Ivor.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Ivor, tell us more about your product and your brand that you have here.
We are from the Western Cape, from Rafisol end in the Western Cape. We make handmade sweets, we make fudges and brittles, make our own condensed milk, our own cream and butter, real platteland sweets.
So you came all the way from the Western Cape to specially be here?
Yeah, all the best things come from the Cape, unfortunately, but the cars are here.
And where would we find this product?
We're here at the stand, otherwise we're online, we courier countrywide, marieswithlove.co.
Okay, awesome. And what is your experience so far? This is day 2 of Festival of Motoring. How is your experience so far
This is our favourite of the year. I look forward to the show every year. It's an absolute blast.
So you've been here every year?
We've done this quite a few years away. Bring earplugs, it's definitely worth it though.
And why do you think it is beneficial to your business to exhibit at the Festival of Motoring?
People get to taste, they get to experience it, they can decide what they like and they don't like. It's the best way to do it. You get to taste what you have before you buy it.
Nice, that's nice. Thank you so much, Ivor. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Cool. And thank you, viewers, for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing our content. Till next time, bye-bye.